Hello guys, welcome back. This is Trilly from SINOFUDE. Now today I'll introduce our production line, which is popping boba production line. Last time I introduced our small machine, which is baby depositor. Now today I'll introduce a more bigger one. It's now taxing in our workshop. You can see here's the long production line, which can produce 100 km per hour popping boba. Okay, in general, the popping boba production line always divides in two systems. One is the cooking system, and the other we can see here's our depositing system. Depositing system is now taxing in our factory. Let's start with the cooking system. Before we start the cooking, we need to pre-treatment our raw materials, which is sodium alginate powder. This sodium alginate powder will be prone to clumping together, so we need to use collard mill choice to pre-treatment and grading them to a more smooth liquid. So we need to put the raw materials, which is sodium alginate solution, to our cooking system. This set of cooking system is for our outer shell. We put the sodium alginate solution to this jacket cooker, cooking them to a appropriate temperature. Here's our storage tank to storage our sodium alginate solution to cool down the temperature and to provide the continuity of production. Meanwhile, we need to another set of cooking system to cook our popping boba. We put the raw materials, water, glucose, and to this jacket cooker to cook them and transform to this pump to this storage tank. This storage tank can cooling down our temperature of syrup, and then to protect the continuity of production. We can see here have an electric cabinet. We can set the temperature on this and set the heating temperature and the mixing speed all on this electric cabinet. It's for automatic. After that, after all cooking, we need to depositing. We can see here has two pipes. One pipe is transported to the forming group. It's to our outer shell, and another is transferred to our depositing hopper. It's for our course of popping boba, which is syrup. Follow me. We can see the details of this machine. Here you can see has a pipe. We can transform the sodium alginate through this pipe to this forming group. Can put the course of popping boba to this depositing hopper, and to depositing in this forming group. When the sodium alginate solution meets the course of popping boba, they will meet a chemical reaction which forms the popping boba. To another one step, which is this one. Here we can see we have the bevelate slit. We need to give them a more sufficient reaction time to keep the popping boba more rounded. After that, the popping boba will transform to this bevelate slit and rolling to the slide to make it more full and more rounded. With the popping boba will be transformed to this one. We can see here. Here we can see there has a filter to separate the popping boba and the sodium alginate solution. The sodium alginate solution can be filtered up this storage tank and recycling by this system, this pump to the recycling system. Usually we replace the sodium alginate solution once 2 days. After that, the filleted popping boba will be transferred to the cleaning system. You can see here has installed a water pipe and can clean the popping boba more cleaner. Then the filtered and the cleaned popping boba will be transferred to the storage tank and waiting for the subsequent sterilization and packaging. Now it's our introduce of this production line. If you are interested in this production line, or if you want another capacity of this popping boba, please contact with me at any time. I'll see you in the next time. Bye bye.